Welcome to today's chair yoga flow. You only need a chair and optional your mat, so when you're ready, let's begin. With your chair at the center of your mat, slide a bit forward so your legs have some room to move. Then close your eyes and let's begin our class with taking a couple of deep breaths. For our cat-cow, on your inhalation, slightly arch your back, gazing forward or up. And on your exhalation, round your spine, gazing down. Again, inhale, arch. And exhale, round. 3 more rounds, only going as far as it feels good for you today. Last one. Come back to straight, rolling your shoulders back. And then inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, hands to your heart. Again, inhale, reach your arms up. And as you exhale, dive down into your forward fold. You can rest your upper body on your legs or stay slightly lifted. Gently roll back up. And on your inhalation, reach both arms up. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. Beautiful. Come to a standing position and walk to the back of your chair, placing your hands down for our down dog. Try to align your hips over your feet here, your back is close to parallel to the mat. Then begin to pedal out your legs, bending one knee at a time while keeping the other leg straight. Now bend both knees, release the chair, and slowly roll up into Tadasana, rolling your shoulders back and lifting your head up last. Sit down onto your chair again and come into your Warrior Two. Your right thigh is resting on the chair, toes pointing forward, knee over your ankle. Your left leg, the back leg, is extended. The foot pointing to the side and the toes turn slightly in. Reach your arms out parallel to the mat and gaze forward towards your right hand. For Peaceful Warrior, flip your front palm up, reaching up and slightly back, following with your gaze. Your back hand slides down your back leg. For Side Angle, place your right hand to the front leg and reach the back arm forward, creating a strong line from the back foot all the way through the top arm to find length in the side body. Come into Peaceful Warrior again. And Side Angle, this time maybe placing your elbow to your front leg to go a bit deeper into the stretch. Then come back to your Warrior Two and turn into your Goddess pose, opening your hips while keeping your sit bones on the chair. Place your hands onto your legs and then reach your left arm up, following with your gaze. Release and switch sides. Right arm reaches up. Beautiful. Now release and come into your Warrior Two again. This time your left leg is the front leg, so place your left thigh on your chair, right leg is straight. Align your feet heel to heel or heel to arch and extend your arms, gazing forward. For a peaceful warrior, flip your front palm and stretch back. And release forward into side angle, left hand to your front knee. Again, peaceful warrior. And side angle, this time maybe placing your left elbow to your left knee. Come back to Warrior 2. Close your legs for our seated Tadasana. And let's go into some leg stretches. Begin by extending your right leg forward, toes pointed, and now flex and point. Flex and point. One more time. And then place your right ankle onto your left leg. Let's roll out that ankle, drawing 3 circles in each direction. That's a simple exercise, but it always feels really good for me. Now for a seated pigeon, you can stay in this position, maybe leaning slightly forward or coming onto your left toes to go even deeper into the stretch. You can also bring your hands into prayer here, resting your arms on your right leg. Release and come into eagle legs, so slide your right leg over your left. You can stay here or interlace your ankles if that's within your practice today. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up and exhale, eagle arms, left arm over your right. If this doesn't feel right for you, you can stack your elbows as shown here. You'll feel a nice stretch in both variations. Unwind and release your upper body over your legs for our forward fold. Again, you can keep your back straight here or fold all the way down. Maybe holding your elbows with the opposite hand. Then slowly roll back up and extend your left leg forward, toes pointed. Now flex your foot and point. 2 more. Place your left ankle onto your right knee. And let's roll out that ankle again for 3, 2, 1. And switch for 3, 2, 1. Now come into the variation of a seated pigeon that you did on the other side. You can slightly lean forward, come onto your right toes, and if you like, bring your hands into a prayer position. Wonderful. Now for our eagle, slide your left leg over your right, maybe interlacing your ankles. And then inhale, reach both arms up And exhale, eagle arms, this time stacking your right elbow over your left. Again, you can modify this by bringing your hands to your shoulders, pointing the elbows forward. Unwind and release into your forward fold again, maybe closing your eyes here. And then gently roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae, to come back to seated Tadasana. Hold the seat of your chair with your right hand and stretch your left arm over to the right side, feeling a nice stretch in the left side of your body. Release and switch, stretching your right arm up and over to the left side while holding the chair with your left hand. Unwind. And for our last pose, our deep relaxation in Shavasana, you have a couple of options. You can stay seated on your chair, or lie down onto your mat, resting your calves on the seat of your chair, which can be a beautiful release for your lower back. Or you can take a regular Shavasana with your legs extended along the mat. Come into the variation that you feel drawn to today. Close your eyes and relax, bringing your awareness inward and allowing yourself to feel heavy on your mat or your chair. You can stay here for as long as you'd like. If you want to finish your practice with me, gently begin to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes, and make your way into a seated position. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart, bowing down and thanking yourself for your beautiful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!